Every plugin and theme you do not use on a regular basis will need to be removed. Plugins can add to the page load time by increasing the number of HTTP requests, and deactivated plugins leave behind orphan tables in the WordPress database, so you want to delete unused plugins completely and not just deactivate them. Plugins that you might use once in a while, like Child Theme Wizard, do not have to be here either. You can install them and use them only when you need them and then delete them afterward. Let's delete unused plugins now. But before we delete the plugins, let's check the page performance using web page test. Right now, the page is making 24 requests. Let's see what this number will be after we delete all of the unused plugins and themes. We do not need this. Let's select all the plugins we do not need on a regular basis. No matter what, do not deactivate the Thrive visual editor. A plugin like this is used only once and never again. There is no reason why you need to have it here all the time once its purpose has been served. Let's go to the list of inactive plugins, select them all and delete them. You will want to delete all of the files and data. You also want to delete unused themes. Any unused images will need to be removed from your media library as well. You do not want any unused themes, plugins or images. They are just clutter. Currently, the active theme is 2014 Child. So let's have this one and the parent theme 2014. We will delete all of the other themes here. Let me pause the video while I delete all of the unused themes. Once you have deleted all of the unused plugins and themes, you will need to empty the page cache. Let's now see what web page test has to say about the performance of the page. The page is now making 23 requests and it used to make 24 requests, so we have reduced one request. Every little bit counts. In the next video, we will see how to optimize the database.